Here's a new 2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, power heated mirrors, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, power telescoping steering column, automatic suspension management, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.